Hey family, what is up you guys? So, you know we there, regular day. But as a trucker, I work just never stop. Who knows, you know. If you're a trucker, you will know. So, and I'm an owner operator as you guys know. So, yeah, I just have a few simple issue with the truck. You know, something I trigger off the check engine light. But I kind of figure out what is it. And I have something right on my wheel, maybe you call it right in the hub, you know. A little oil leak, so I have to go take care of that right now as an owner operator. As well, I say, you have to know if you do a few hands-on stuff on your truck, you know. Because if you don't know if you do a few hands-on stuff and you take your truck to some mechanic, they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg, you know. So I just learn how to do stuff as an owner operator. If I don't know how to do it, I look up a few stuff on YouTube if I can't do it, you know. Or if it's a hard task, then I take it to a mechanic that know the job, you know. But if it's something, I just get up and just take my truck to a mechanic like that, because me's a hands-on person as well, like, you know. Yeah, so yeah, we're there. So you know I machine this, guys. So yeah, me have a little problem right here. So guys, as you can see, me already kind of loosen up some of the screws them already. So basically the hub, as you guys can see, like you see how it's break right there. It have a breaking. Yes, it's cracked. So it's leaking oil, you know. You know, you can't go up on the road with that. Because the DOT, the truck rules are strict, very strict in America. You know, the DOT, the cops, you know, they pull you over. You could get a fine for that, you know. Yeah. I may have something else in the engine. We kind of I give problem where I trigger off the check engine light, as I said before. But I'm gonna get to that in a minute, guys. So I'm gonna release off this thing, guys. And here I have my tools, so I work with this today to release off this, guys. So one. So yeah, guys, that is what inside looking like, you know. So you have to keep right this lubricated like with oil, you know, because that's in the hub of the wheel. So if you don't keep in there lubricate, you don't know, maybe the wheel can fall off, you can damage inside of the hub and it cause a big accident on the road, you know. So yeah, I just take off the hub. So basically what I go do now, I go just go because the Freightliner dealership is not very close to where I am, but the Kenworth dealership is closer. I have a Freightliner, but sometimes I shop at Kenworth. As I say, it's just two different truck dealership, but sometimes they use the same parts, guys. Yeah, guys, and don't lose none of your screw them, guys. Put up these carefully, guys. Don't lose none of your screw them. So yeah, I'm gonna fly the hood of the truck right now. Yeah, guys. And I think this is what giving the problem right here. I don't know what it's called, but Yeah, I think this is what giving the problem, most definitely. Triggering off the check engine light in I truck and just one heap or something, you know. So yeah, I'm going to change this right now as well. So yeah guys, I will loosen up the bolt here now. In which way? I kinda loosen up the bolt already, guys. So try to screw it off. Yeah guys, so this is what giving the trouble. Triggering off the fan, and it trigger off the fan in the truck, it bring in a check engine light in the truck, it keep on like going off, it make a whistling sound like, you know what I mean, like it's a type of sensor. You have to remove this to unplug it. Unplug it from right here. And you have a few more hoses connected to it that you have to release. So yeah guys, basically that's what it does, you know. It's like a thingy that store the air. It store the air as well, because if you know about these semi truck, about maybe 90% of it run off air, you know. Air is very important in a semi truck them. So yeah guys, so I finally get off the sensor and get off the thing in the hub, and go replace them, buy them and come back and put them on the truck, guys. So they do a lot of mechanic work in this parking lot as well, guys. Yeah. And the parking lot is not far away from the Kenworth dealership. Just like about what, like 4 minutes. Yeah, about 4 minutes. Yeah guys, they have a lot of distribution places around here as well. Like a lot of places where truck comes to deliver. And this is the Pineville area in North Carolina. That's even where as you can see over there, it's a lot of school bus. I think that's a terminal like a terminal for the school buses. And yeah man, they have a lot of things going around here, so them sell a lot of flowers over here. There's a whole lot going on in this little area. Yeah. And I think over here they sell like forklift. You know the forklift that you guys use to operate. So yeah man, so the forklift there. Forklift, you know? And over there them rent like stuffs like lawnmower, power washer. So it's a lot of things go on, you know? And it's right here, so just a pull up at the Kenward. So basically this dealership have like a shop as well. Yeah, so this dealership have like a shop as well with the mechanics. As you can see, the mechanic is right there. But these places are expensive, guys. These dealerships. So see a lot of trucks in the shop, guys. There are a lot of trucks working on, guys. So guys, I'm here just waiting to be served, you know, just waiting to be seen at the desk. Maybe they kind of busy, but I'm gonna get through in a minute, guys. So yeah guys, basically I just purchased all that I need to replace the parts on the truck. So yeah guys, as I said, I just purchased everything, so right now I'm gonna head back to the truck, guys, and replace these parts. Yeah guys, so I just reached back at the truck. So basically let me get everything that I go shopping for just now. So yeah, I get basically everything that I just go shopping for just now. So yeah, I gotta replace, fit up back the parts them. And this thing, as I say, it come from off of the hub right there. It come with a seal. So this is the seal. And don't forget guys to put some silicone around it so it can hold as well, so it can seal it up, because you have to put oil in the hub. As well, it's a hub oil right there. Lucas hub oil, you know. So yeah man, good brand. The Lucas hub oil. You know the thing, you know the shrubs, you know. So yeah man, don't forget to put on your name there silicone so the thing can tighten up and hold so it don't leak back. You know, you have to put silicone on maybe both sides. Yeah, so put on my silicone and thing, you know, and put it on, and yeah man guys, I'll show you what I go on. So basically guys, you know, I tighten these screw them a little bit already, so just I finish tightening them up. So all tighten right now, and next move now, I'm gonna put my Lucas oil in there. So I have a few tools right there, so I'm gonna put in my Lucas oil right now, my hub oil. So this are the hub oil, you know, the Lucas brand hub oil. And yeah, so basically when you put on the hubcap or whatsoever name or whatsoever they call it, whatever you guys call it. Please guys, always remember to make sure so this thing right here turn up, you know, because this is where y'all go throw the oil in for the oil go in the hub. If this thing turn down, you can't get the oil in it, because when you pour in the oil, it just going to run out back, right? So always make sure so this turn up, guys. And yeah, I have a few Arling key right here, or whatsoever you guys call it, right? So but none of my Arling key, yeah, none of my Arling key really fits and do the job to open it. So basically I have to go substitute and maybe use this, you know, to try open it. Yeah guys, so I get it for open. And you always want to put it down somewhere safe, you know. You don't want to put it in no dirt. You don't want to put it on the ground, guys, to get it dirty, you know. And then you have your oil right here, so now your Lucas oil. So you just go ahead and start pouring your oil. Hold up, guys. Yeah, so I pour in my oil and try to fill it up. So that is it, guys. When you pour in your oil and it fill up, all you have to do is just put on back the cap, you know. Put on back the cap right there where you are pouring the oil into, and yeah, that's it, you know. So you see, it's not a hard task, you know, guys. Yeah, guys, see it, yeah. I all parts this is a brand new one, so I put it on quick and fast, guys. It's not gonna take long, you know. See the move now. So you see it, guys, that was it, guys. Quick and fast, guys. You have to learn how to do a few things on your truck. Else those dealership and those mechanic gonna kill you. They're gonna rip you off, guys. They're gonna charge you a lot of money, guys. So that is it, guys. That's the solenoid. This is the sensor for my fan. This sensor, it's also called a solenoid as well. It operates the fan. It was giving problem. It was letting the fan coming on when the truck wasn't even overheating. You know what I mean? And it was letting the check engine light come in my truck. So yeah, guys, everything is all done for today. I guess what am I gonna do right now? Actually, I finished this and the hub, the sensor and the hub. So basically, maybe I'm gonna go to the store again and get some oil to grease my truck. Some grease, I mean, not oil, grease to grease my truck. It's been a while since I greased my truck, guys. So guys, please always remember to clean up the oil of your wheel. Don't leave it like that. Clean up when you're finished, because if you go out on the road trying to operate, trying to go get a load, the DOT will get you for this. The cops will get you for this, and you will definitely get a big charge. You will definitely get a ticket, guys. So yeah, guys, always remember to clean up when you finish. Yeah, man, guys, so right now I'm driving to the store to go get some grease to go grease my truck. So guys, I'm at the AutoZone and I'm trying to get me some grease, and I'm gonna get the iTemp. I'm gonna get maybe like 3 of them. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get like 3 of these grease to grease my truck. That is it. So we'll go to work. So as you can see right here, I have my grease gun. So this is my grease gun right here, and these are the grease that I'm going to use to grease my truck. So let me try to show you guys a little bit what's going on. So you guys have to look for stuff like these. This is called a grease nipper, right? It's called a grease nipper, guys. So those are what you guys gonna look for. It's a lot of them on the truck, you know what I mean? It's a lots of grease nipple underneath the truck. And basically right here need to grease as well. So that's a grease nipper right here as well. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna grease this truck right now. And so as a trucker, the work just never stop, guys. Never. Bless up. So that's it for today, guys. Man, as I said, as a trucker, you just never stop working, you know. So I just take my truck home in the neighborhood to like give it a quick grease and get it back to the parking lot. So yeah, guys, I've been working on the truck from about 11 a.m. and right now it is about 7:30 right now p.m. So if you guys like what you see and you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Peace out. It's trucker's life.